What is the greatest pleasure of sitting at the beach and just painting the scene in front of you? For me, it's the stillness. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are painting this beautiful beach scene together. I'm starting with a soft blue base using the watercolor. With a small gentle brush strokes, I slowly build the sky and the sea. I love taking my time here, letting the water and pigment blend naturally. Then I begin adding shadows and gradually increase the depth with darker shades. This really helps to capture the mood of the sea. Next, I move on to the stones in the background, and also I have added tiny human figures. For that, I switch into a thin brush. Once the watercolor layer is done, I step back and I observe, and I felt like I needed something more, a little definition. So I grab my Lamy ink pen and start outlining. The black ink really makes the element highlight and adds character to the overall painting. And yeah, that's it. Ta-da! I hope this video brought you a little calm and inspiration. See you in the next video. Bye bye.